experience of being here is awesome.
The freedom that she specifically has at BMF is really, really helpful. She can take risks and make, fun choices and feel completely free. And a lot of it is sort of, connecting with other people. And I think the gigs are so wonderful for that because you have to listen to the people around you and to be present. And we think this is a wonderful environment to continue to help grow that.
Another unique part of studying at Berklee Music Factory is we have a focus on contemporary music, pop, rock, jazz, and folk, etc. So it's based in music that the students relate to. So the things that they're listening to, the things that they're interested in. And we can teach everything that we need to teach them about music through the music that they listen to and relate to. So, what we call like disguised learning. So we'll play lots of games with them and then go into a song, and they'll realize, oh, actually those chords and things that I was just playing in that game I can use now on a song that I want to learn. So I might be teaching a piano lesson, but I play along with my student on the drums. And really, I think one of the main focuses of the method is that all that we're doing to teach them is to encourage them to be playing music with others. And that starts with playing with their teacher. So even though we call it a private lesson, it's actually focused on the collaborative aspects of playing music.
Because you're doing the music, and it's just music and fun, plus each other makes
More fun!
more fun!
She's been inspired by gigs as well. Hearing other songs has brought other songs to her that she's wanted to do. And so, yeah, it's a wonderful environment to continue with music, not to start and learn, but to continue and keep the passion as well, I feel like.
Just to be here and see other kids playing music, creating, writing songs, learning other instruments, and also to see older kids and adults and those that they can look up to, and really benefit from that progression that they can see as soon as they walk in the door, right in our community.